Dog walker. Dog walker. Are you okay? Dog walker, what the hell are you doing?
I must have blacked out.
Low blood sugar? Or are you huffing Sharpies again?
No, the synergy in the room was too strong. I am not used to all the hard work going on in Romper Room.
Is there something I can get for you?
Only if you have a cold brewski.
All I have is this juice box. You're welcome to have a sip.
No, I think I will check the runway and clear my head.
I don't think you should have a cigarette until you check with the nurse.
Are you my mother?
No, I'm not your mother.
Then, piss off. Later I'm checking the runway.
If the room you're in has too much synergy, take breaks more often. Too much synergy can be harmful to your health. Or in Dog Walker's case, Sharpies. This has been a Gilbert production.